Hey guys, well I'm back. In this video, let's install WSL for Windows 11. Open your control panel. We will be using Kali Linux as we always use it. You need to enable Windows subsystem for Linux. It will check and install necessary files. Once that is done, go to Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Type It will show you the names of available Linux. You will need to type them as they are shown in this list. To install, enter WSL, install Kali Linux. You can use any Linux version you want. What we are gonna do with this Linux is something we will figure out in coming videos. So stay tuned for further updates. So installation is done. But this is throwing an error related to WSL kernel. Before fixing this, I have installed another Linux too to check if the issue is with Kali or WSL. And that part I didn't include as it's same as we did already. I have tried restarting also which didn't fix this issue. Kernel issue and needs to be fixed. To fix it, head on to the link which it's showing up. It will take you to the WSL page where you can download the kernel installer file. Download it and simply use it. It will fix the issue. Now, give your Kali a username and password. You are good to go. This is pretty basic, so you will have install whatever you want manually. That is it for now. Bye bye.